Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove a lock nut without a key. Okay, we have this jet here that we purchased and we don't have the key for the lock nut. Okay, don't use that one to steal somebody's wheels. Just use it for your own stuff if you need it, but don't steal, okay? It's not good to have your wheels stolen, so we'll show you how we'll remove it. It's possible. If we'll show you what it could work and what maybe doesn't work. The best thing that you could use is a 12-point socket. Okay, let me show you. Just like the one right here. That's a 12-point socket. But we don't have one that size. We have a 6-point. So what we're going to do, guys, okay, now the 6-point, okay, let me show you. That's the lock nut right here, right there, this one. And we purchased the car at the auction and it does not have that one in the car, so we cannot remove it. We remove it without a key. So that's the socket. You need a socket that fits a little bit smaller than the outside of the lock nut. And you need to get the hammer and just push it in. Okay guys, so the 6-point didn't work. We cannot get it in. So what we went ahead, we bought 22 12-point socket for our case. In your case it might be different. Make sure you get the one with a lifetime warranty. If you mess it up, they'll replace it for free. Don't tell them what you did with it though. But now we're going to hammer it in. Okay, and you go as deep as you can. Okay, that's it. Now let's see if we can take it off. Okay, with a brake over bar. Okay, and now it should come off. It's still a little bit tight at spots. I guess the socket is contacting the side of the wheel. Okay, let's see now. And the lock nut is out of there, guys. As you can see, the lock bolt, actually it's a bolt because it's a Volkswagen, but it's out of there. You can see the other ones are normal ones, but this one we didn't have the two, so all we have to do, get the socket out and push it from the back with a screwdriver on a vise, and you have the socket out of there as well, and you can reuse it unless you cracked it and you need to return it. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.